Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to tonight's market wrap-up show for Thinkorswim. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist. Well, today I spent the day back home in Indiana, as they say. I went down to Indianapolis to see some fine swimmers, so I thought it was only appropriate that we play one of Indiana's native songs. John Mellencamp from Indiana with a little R-O-C-K in the USA, one of my favorite songs. Rockin' in the USA. Well, let's talk about the market today, because the market certainly wasn't really rockin', was it? Kind of an actually boring day, to be perfectly honest with you. A little up, a little down, nothing special one way or the other, though. In fact, the Dow Jones Industrial Average today was up 52.5 points. Sounds really exciting, sounds great. There were 20 advancing stocks, only 10 declining stocks, but really, this market was driven by one stock today. Alcoa, AA, up 4%. Only really major mover on the day. Everything else was just a small percentage up, small percentage down. Alcoa weighted heavily, bought the Dow up on the day. That's really what happened there. The broader market, which is what we always like to look at, the S&P 500 future, down a quarter. Hey, nothing. Nothing really happening there. Except for one very significant thing, the levels. We've talked about these same levels. I'm sure you're sick of me talking about them. Okay? We see the E-mini S&P futures under that very important 1394 even level. However, as we've always talked about, it has to be combined with the VIX. The VIX is still under 20, so I don't really see this as a bearish sign. It is interesting, though, that we are testing 1394 even again. How many times have we talked about it? Again, these numbers keep coming back to play very critical in this market. This is a very fragile market. Any type of news sets us off either way, and we're right at a crux right here. Going into the weekend for Friday, it'll be interesting to see what happens. One of the stocks you should be watching going in there, BID, B-I-D, Sotheby's International. I say, Nate, shall we buy some art? Anyway, the big auction site, art, we've seen some record auctions over the last few weeks as the euro got stronger, and the European community that really likes art, as well as some Middle Eastern countries that are oil rich, they like art. So we've seen some record auctions over the last few weeks. What we've also seen is in terms of trading activities, these May 30 calls, second day in a row, they've traded almost 5 times their normal amount. 9,500 of them trade today. It's a 65-cent option. Well, keep your eye on BID, B-I-D, Sotheby's International tomorrow with earnings. Should be kind of some fun trade in there with maybe not much else happening in the market. All right, we head into Friday. Let's make it a good one. As always, good health, good trading. I'm Joe Keenahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great night.